I think there are two really important things here with this object. One is Sottsass himself. He was one of the godfathers of postmodernism. The other thing I think is really important is to see this in the context of the 1960s and 70s when the pop design movement began. And this was really one of the first attacks on modernism and trying to find a new basis for design. It's a very lighthearted design. It's very lightweight, portable. The use of the color red, and even the whole thing with sex in that period, to use the term Valentine for a typewriter. It really was a form that really caught on and caught everyone's imagination in that period. The other thing I think is important too is the use of plastics. The casing of the typewriter and even the little portable case that it slides into are made of plastic, so it's very lightweight and really reflects the change in technology that happened. It changed the look of typewriters.